Today, we've got some surprising real-life battery test results for you. We're diving deep into how the top flagship phones of 2024 are stacking up when it comes to battery performance. If you've been wondering which phone will keep you going all day long, you're in the right place. So let's get right into it. Recently, a YouTuber named Lover of Tech conducted a comprehensive battery life test to find out which flagship phone has the best battery performance. He tested four of the biggest contenders in the market right now: the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, iPhone 15 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and OnePlus 12. The test was as real as it gets, using a variety of apps and features that we all use daily, including TikTok, Instagram Reels, Instagram Live, YouTube Music, Twitter Spaces, 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, playing Asphalt Unite, and finishing off with a WhatsApp video call. Now let's talk about the results because they might surprise you. Starting with the phone that came in fourth place, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It clocked in at 6 hours, 27 minutes, and 5 seconds of screen on time. Not bad, but it seems Samsung has some catching up to do. Coming in third was the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, managing to last 6 hours, 42 minutes, and 56 seconds. A solid effort, but it wasn't enough to claim the top spot. The iPhone 15 Pro Max came in second with 6 hours, 51 minutes, and 11 seconds of screen on time. Apple continues to deliver strong battery performance, but they couldn't take the crown this time. And the winner? The OnePlus 12. This phone delivered an impressive 8 hours, 5 minutes, and 49 seconds of screen on time. That's a massive lead over the competition and a huge win for OnePlus fans. But wait, there's more. Just when we thought the surprises were over, another test came out that shook things up even more. TechTracker recently posted a new battery drain test video featuring a Pixel 9 Pro XL, iPhone 15 Pro Max, Galaxy S24 Ultra, Xiaomi 14 Pro, and the OnePlus 12. This time, the test was conducted in multiple phases to see how these phones would hold up under different conditions. In the first phase, PUBG Mobile New State was played on all phones for 3 hours straight. Following that, YouTube was used continuously for another 3 hours at 1080p and 60 frames per second. After these two tests, the remaining battery percentages were as follows: Pixel 9 to 39%, Pixel 9 Pro XL 39%, iPhone 15 Pro Max 54%, Galaxy S24 Ultra 40%, Xiaomi 14 Pro 42%, OnePlus 12 to 48%, Pixel 8 Pro 23%. It's interesting to see how the iPhone 15 Pro Max held the highest percentage, followed closely by the OnePlus 12 and Xiaomi 14 Pro. But again, after a software update lasting an impressive 11 hours and 17 minutes. And finally, the clear winner was the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which outlasted all others with an incredible 11 hours and 44 minutes. Apple's focus on efficiency has clearly paid off. So there you have it, folks. The iPhone 15 Pro Max takes the crown for the best battery life in these real-world tests. Thanks. Whether it's the Pixel 9 series with its cool, calm approach to battery management or the OnePlus 12 with its marathon endurance. What do you think of these results? Are you surprised by any of them? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, all the video links to these tests are in the description, so be sure to check them out. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on these results? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video.